𝐶𝐂 citizen ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ manipur ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ. So I think this is my appeal. I think it's a fight between those who want to fight for the dignity and well-being of the state of Manipur and for a principle of diversity and dignified life, and those who want to destroy that one. Manipur 𝐂𝐈𝐍𝐾𝐿 𝐂𝐈𝐍𝐾 na tawrapadu da ba uba thawaidana karimta ngang adugi mayokta ngang kangbu sidaba aduga Manipur 𝐂𝐈𝐍𝐾 khanba kangbu dudai duda English tam khoi ge surreptitiously mateng pangjanba group ani gi war ne hai tam Manipur gi izat laina hingnana ba hotna ba kangbu amaga madugi mayokta leiba amagi fightness. So there's a kin fight between the two hai tabani.
Jawab ko sam tam jawab.
Hai, have you?
Koi BJP ki candidate koi ge Honorable Basnu Kumar na photo matungina. India ye parliamentary system je Westminster model chatna ba dum morega. Opposition ki MP ota ga di matam yang na phangoi wangang wa phangoi kanaro hai wa hon thab si matang se kai.
Mokhoi ki party ki leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee na malairame ko. And in 1984 ki election matungda massive mandate Congress na lakpon ma hai ge ba. A government without opposition hai. Parliamentary system of democracy hai. It's a fast train without break hai. Opposition yaudab se do let's not assume that Congress and its allied will be in the opposition and the BJP will rule this country again. Assumption is vote loidring ai da ko. Adu ne haining e ko.
Mai pa matung da han se kari oina lap khati
ai ngasai so haijage duni Manipur da akhoi di si chatlaga ai si huji campaign tawba ya ma tawba yum chatlaga I phamung ama leirongani chana ba leirongani setna ba fi leiri aduna tabi da tha tarama thoi mayum ma kai thado leiri mayam se santi leire akhoi kana luhong odong chum thoi natra normal loiba mali se oida ba kangbu ma leiri se khoi kaw loidam ne isina naw ngak tane irei chang ngak tane irang je tholei ba se ko so ai ahan bai no hotna ga doi se makhoi se izat leina mayum mak ida phajana mu hanjalaga hana gi fibam da tek ta kaidan nan leina ba hotna ba do madune ai gi major effort asi yaw daga de khoina santi lei hai ba state se da sungya ya roi.
So
I am saying is that my first priority is to ensure that these displaced people go back to their original home and can lead a normal life and dignified life. That will be my effort, because without that we can say that we have normalcy in the state. All of us have a normal life. You can go back, I can go back home, I can have a bed to sleep, I have clothes to wear. But these people do not have it for the last 11 months. We shouldn't forget that. It's a traumatic experience. All of us think that we have a normal life. You guys are taking interview. You have clothes to wear, you can go back home. These people don't have it. And it is a stark reminder to us, as long as they're traumatized, we must feel their trauma. If you don't feel their trauma, then we are not citizens of this land.
Thousands of people were displaced. Did you think that these people will be supporting you as a candidate to represent?
I know, I'm expecting that anybody who loves Manipur will be behind me.
Okay, thank you.